What's up, guys? Engine guy back at it again. We are out here working on a Cato light today with Austin. This one, we are replacing the radiator and aftercooler combo because of this giant hole right there. So should be fun. We got the front cover already off. The one aftercooler hose is off. Cover's sitting over there. So Austin's working on draining the coolant while I work on this aftercooler hose right up here. And then we'll get this fan shroud off. The new setup came with one, but once it gets coolant drained, we'll get the hoses off. Block heater hoses are also getting replaced, so is the belt, to my knowledge. And then we're gonna just tilt this one out. So we gotta get this bottle off, this fan shroud off, and then we can just tilt the whole radiator out of our way and then tilt the new one in. All right, I forgot my hat clip, so I can't do the first person POV today, but we're gonna get everything taken off here, get a little montage going. The style of editing that I'm gonna try for this. No, you're good. Go do your thing. Probably just gonna hang around over here and grab some Big Mac because I'm gonna make a nap. You disconnect the battery? No, I didn't. You want me to? This thing at the gen site. Literally. How the fuck did that not come out of the fucking radiator?
Didn't give a definite, so I definitely want you to do it since you're the one who's got this.
Alright. I appreciate it. Alright, I'm gonna finish babysitting Austin.
Okay, babysit Austin.
Alright. Bye.
Alright, bye.
I'm gonna squeeze in here. I don't wanna fucking have that fall. That'd be good. Gotta have Mark replace it. Leaving it in! You know, the only cool thing about being out here is after a while, the smell of the shit water just kind of masks the smell of you.
Okay, buddy.
It's called caress and finesse. I'll rip and break you. Can't wait to go dig through fucking 4 hours of footage to get all these audio clips. It's gonna be so fun. Imagine being in one of those brand new big ass houses over there and being downwind from this one day.
That'd be so sick. You think that shit's discounted because of the smell?
No. You see the fucking size of those houses? They upsell for that.
Yeah.
So we need a bolt. Good thing the new one has them. Oh my god. You're really a nut. You fucking cockbag. Why? Pocket pliers. Hold on. I see what we're stuck on. That bolt that I broke. Oh. There we go. Got it?
And I missed one.
Fucking noob. This fucking guy. I can't wait to find out that this slight produces ruined every fucking bit of audio. You hear that? He hates gays. God hates everyone. Just grab a side. Woo! Fuck yeah. Alright. Record time right there. Well, boy, do I have a solution for you. It's not getting scary.
Oh, okay. Beautiful little man. Beautiful little man. I'm leaving that part. Is it still rolling? Yeah. He is, dude. What can I say? Take a break, Grandpa. Feeling very grandpa today. Daddy's got it. Don't worry, baby girl. You making fun of me? Always, dude. You know this.
I'm just trying to get my 97 subscribers to make money YouTube.
I'm sure they will. I'm sure they have.
God, who wears a flannel?
I'm pretty sure I've seen you with one. Fucker.
What?
A 15?
15? That's what the other setup.
Oh.
Interesting little coolant level sensor. It's clear. Usually they're all brass.
That's why my license plate bent. You can't read the sticker. Turns out, I could not make that turn.
Alright, we're about at the halfway point. Austin's getting the belt done real quick. We got the drain, low coolant sensor, and the isolator moved over, and then we took all the shrouds and stuff off. Those will go back on once it's installed. So should be moving pretty good on this now, huh? What do you say, Austin? Moving pretty good?
We're doing good. Not bad for a Monday.
Yeah. Could be a lot worse.
Nice. Get the fuck out of here. Can you touch your toes without bending your knees? I'm not gonna try. No. I got you.
Yeah, don't be afraid to fucking pull me over.
No. I know, I've worked with these for long enough. You almost fucking did it. What? Bending over.
I fucked up. Now I have to flip the video from the from earlier. I have to split it where I moved it in the truck.
Oh,
It's all upside down. I had it hanging at first, and I never stopped the recording.
Thing's pretty handy.
All right, I like it. I just got to remember my headband and shit so I can get the first person going. this should just be like 11s, and then I think I set the new hardware for that in that bolt bin on your truck.
New hardware
For those? Yeah. In the bolt bin? Yeah, it should be all the black ones. You already do your side?
Yeah. I didn't get top up.
Yeah. Damn. Do you want to reuse this hose? The bottle?
No, it's pretty shitty.
And you can cut it.
Yeah, and I cut it.
We can just mount the new one a little higher.
Perfect.
Now let's just do that. Sweet. All right. Cool. Well. Oh, good.
You good?
On my foot. Careful. Slipping hazard. A little slippery. Did you already do the other side?
What, trans truck?
No. Alright, so that one's all wrapped up. I totally forgot to film an outro, so here you guys go. But that one went well. No leaks were found, nothing like that. Pressure tested great, so we'll see you on the next one. Peace.